Hi, second graders, it's Mr. Schaefer. We are going to be continuing learning about multiplication and division this week. So here is your job for today. We're going to be talking about dividing a set of objects into equal shares. Now, just to go back over some of the vocabulary we learned about last week, division is the operation of splitting a set of objects or a quantity into equal groups or same size parts. That sounds like a complicated definition, but it's really not that complicated. It just means when we have to split up objects into equal groups. That's all it means. You divide all the time. Whenever you want to share a pizza with some of your friends, you're dividing up that pizza. But with division, you have to make sure that you're always splitting things into equal groups, which brings us to our next term, which is fair share. If you want your fair share of something, you want everything to be in equal groups, right? If you want your fair share of the pizza, you want to have as much pizza as everybody else has. You don't want to have more, you just want to have the same amount. So fair share means parts that have the same size or the same area. All right, let's get into it. Here's your problem for today. Timothy has 20 marbles. He will give 5 marbles to each of his friends. How many friends will receive marbles? So I'm going to start again by drawing my model. How many marbles does he have at the beginning? He has 20, right? So I'm going to draw 20 marbles. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 marbles that I drew. Now, how am I going to solve this problem? It says he will give 5 marbles to each of his friends. So last week we were doing problems where we were trying to figure out how many marbles each friend would get. But now we already know how many marbles each friend will get. We just don't know how many friends. So it's really easy to solve this. First thing you have to do is you have to circle 5 marbles at a time. Remember, he's going to give 5 marbles to each of his friends. So here's enough marbles for one friend. One friend is going to get 5 marbles. How many is the second friend going to get? 5 marbles, equal shares. So there's another friend. We have 1 friend, 2 friends so far. How many marbles is the third friend going to get? 5. It's an equal share. They each have to have the same amount, and they're each getting 5. We know this. So there's my third friend. And do we have enough marbles for one more friend? I think so. Yes. Okay. So does each friend have 5 marbles? Are there 5 marbles in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 marbles in each group. So how many friends are going to get 5 marbles? So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And here's 4. So 4 friends are going to get the 5 marbles. So the model below that we just did shows that 20 marbles are shared equally among different friends. Each friend received 5. We counted to make sure. To figure out how many friends will receive marbles, we just measure quantities of 5. That's all we did. We just took our 5 and we saw how many groups there were going to be until all the marbles were gone. When we share objects equally, we can use this sentence stem. 20 marbles sorted into groups of 5 makes 4 equal groups of marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. Today, you're going to have some other problems, and you are going to solve them exactly how I did, and then you're going to fill in this sentence stem. All right. If you need help and if you get confused, just rewatch this video or just talk to your teacher because we can help you. All right, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.